We are going to be doing some paddling in the next 50 yards. It's going to set us up for success downstream. Give me 2. Give me 2 more. I know this is crazy, but it's fun. Trust me. Give me 2 more. 2 more. Oh boy, big hit coming up. Big hit. Don't fall out, Fred. Oh my God, he's backwards. What was he thinking? Oh, the poor kayaker's like, oh my God, why did I get behind Fred? Catch daddy, brother. I'll try to give you room. Uh-oh, I scared him by changing lines. That can't win. That's all right, y'all did great. Say what? I love playing here. It's a lot of fun. I didn't realize y'all were that close to me, but
no, you're all good.
If you ever get in a problem like a raft going to hit that rock, swing into the eddy above Prudential, it'll whip you upstream fast. I've had to escape there a few times as a video boater. Backwards 2, team. I'm on my way, buddy. I just wanted to hold the safety for a minute. Good job, dude. I mean, I'm not trying to squish you. I kayak. Give me 1. I can't say it was by accident because it wasn't. The spin was on purpose. Give me 1, team. Give me 1 more. Oh, yes, he is. Man, that's nice water coverage. I don't even think you guys on the left got wet and went over you.